Divakar, screen is visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Divakar, your voice is not audible to me.
English change. Yeah.
Yes, Shivateja, screen is visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here the second step is slope deflection equation for each span, that is AB, BA, BC, CB. So in that, first to take MAB. Already you know that what is the formula for slope deflection equation. Here MAB is equal to fixed end moment given span is AB. So MFAB plus 2EI by L into 2 theta A plus theta B minus 3 delta by L. This is our equation. Okay. In that, already we calculated MFAB value, that is minus 106.67 plus 2 into already given EI value. Once you observe, given EI for span AB is 2EI. So same way I have written here. In place of EI, I have written 2EI into here theta A. It is 0. Why it is 0 means fixed end. Fixed end for A point. So it is 0. Plus theta B minus 3 into delta value. See, this is our sign convention. Already we discussed the sign convention in morning class as well as previous class also. So it is 3 into, generally given deflection is 10 mm, but all values in terms of meters. So just convert mm to meter. Then I got 0.01 meter. Same way substitute here 3 into 0.01 by span of AB. L means span of AB, that is 8. Now minus 106.67 plus 2 into, again this 2 into EI. So EI means given EI, that is 4000. So just the value substitute here 2 into 4000 by 8. Next theta B minus this value is 0.00375. Now all of you once open your calculators and enter these values, then finally you will get MAB is equal to 2000 theta B minus 114.17, equation number 1. That is equation number 1. Now, so here MAB completed. Next is BA. Next is BA. Already you know that how to approach the formula. Here MBA is fixed end moment, span is BA. So MFBA plus 2EI by L into, here the first term is B. So twice theta B, second term is A. So plus theta A minus 3 delta by L. Minus 3 delta by L. Here A is 0 because that is fixed. There is no changes. Now, what about MFBA? Here MFBA is 106.67 plus 2 into, see this is BA span. So B to A, again we have a 2EI. See A to B as well as B to A is 2I. There is no change. There is no change. So once again in place of EI, just substitute 2EI by L is 8 meter and 2 theta B minus 3 into delta. Delta value is 0.01 by 8. By 8. Now 106.67 plus 2 into again 2 into EI. What is the given EI? 4000. 4000 by 8. Okay. Into 2 theta B minus, what is the value here? Same value, I think 0.00375 something is there na? Same value. So once calculate this value, what is the value? 3 into
0.00375.
0.01 00375. 0.00375. Now, after evaluating this equation, finally, MBA is 4000 theta B plus 99.17. That is equation number 2. Equation number 2. Now here BA completed. Next is BC. Next is BC. So MBC is equal to, what is the equation? Fixed end moment, span is BC. So MF BC plus 2EI by L into first term is B. So twice theta B. Second term is C. So plus theta C minus 3 delta by L. Okay. Now see, don't confuse here. Now we are taking span BC. Span BC. It means here we have a delta. Here we have a delta. So now consider this portion. Now consider this portion. That is, draw free body diagram here. BC. Now it is 10 mm. Okay. It means one part is left part, other part is right part. In the first condition, first diagram, your right part is sinking down by 10 mm. Okay. Your right part is sinking by 10 mm downwards. Okay. Now in the second diagram, that is blue color diagram, second diagram, here left part is sinking down by 10 mm. Left part is sinking down by 10 mm. Once open your diagram, that is sign convention. See here, this diagram, B and C. Here B is sinking down. So once you read this condition, left side down, then delta negative for BC and CB. Delta is negative. That is here minus 10 mm. So delta is minus 10 mm. It means convert into meters. Then it is minus 0.01 meter. Now this value substitute in place of delta for BC as well as CB. Okay. Now already we know that MF BC value. What is the value of MF BC? Minus 40 kilonewton meter. Minus 40 plus 2 into, once again you need to check EI for BC. See here, from B to C, EI is EI only. EI is EI only. So here, in place of EI, we can write it as EI only, no problem. And what is the span of BC? That is 4 meter. That is 4 meter. And what about theta B, theta C? Here B is roller support as well as C is roller support. So here theta B as well as theta C is unknown. So we can write as usually 2 theta B plus theta C minus 3 into delta. See here delta is minus 0.01 minus 0.01 by given span is 4 meter. Now minus 40 plus 2 into given EI is 4000 by 4 plus 2 theta B in 2 plus theta C minus, what is the value here? Minus into minus plus. Okay, minus into minus plus 0.0075. After evaluating this term, then it is 0.0075. Now once evaluate this equation, then you will get final MBC. So here the final MBC is 4000 theta B plus 2000 theta C minus 25. Equation number 3. Here BC also completed. Next is CB. MCB is equal to fixed end moment, span is CB. So MFCB plus 2EI by L into first term is C. So twice theta C plus second term is B. So theta B minus 3 delta by L. Already we calculated MFCB value. Here MFCB is 40 kilonewton meter. 40 plus 2 into C, BC span as well as CB span. Here BC as well as CB is EI only. So in place of EI, first substitute EI by 4 into 2 theta C theta B minus 3 into delta. Delta means minus 0.01 by 4. Now 40 plus 2 into given EI in the problem is 4000 by 4. 2 theta C plus theta B minus into minus plus 0.0075. After evaluating this term, then it is 0.0075. Now, what is the final equation number 4? Once evaluate this complete equation, then you will get 2000 theta B plus 4000 theta C plus 55. This is our equation number 4. All of you once take screenshot up to here. So up to here we have completed 2 steps. First step is find out fixed end moments. Second step is apply slope deflection equation for each span. That is our second step. So in the second step we got 4 equations. MAB equation number 1, MBA equation number 2, MBC equation number 3, MCB equation number 4. Now what is the third step here? The third step is apply joint equilibrium equation. Apply joint equilibrium equation. It means, if you observe in this diagram, here A is a joint because A is connected one fixed support as well as one member, that is AB member. Okay, now coming to the point C, this is also a joint and it is connected one roller support as well as C2B member. Now if you take B as a joint, from B to A one member connected, and B to C right side other member connected. So first take B as a joint. Because it is connected 2 members, BA and BC. But if you take A as a joint, it is connected only one member, that is AB. And if you take C as a joint, it is connected only one member, that is CB. So present situation, first to take B as a joint. After that we'll see whether A is sufficient or else C is sufficient. That we'll see later. But present condition, take B as a joint. Present situation, B as a joint. 150 Swati. What happened? Why are you unmuting yourself? Don't unmute. Okay, first in the third step, joint equilibrium equation, consider B as a joint because it is having 2 members, BA plus BC. First take screenshot up to here. Okay, next. Next is third step, that is apply joint equilibrium equation. Apply joint equilibrium equation. It means joint B. So joint B is having BA member, BC member. Here we are applying joint equilibrium equation. So already in the second step we have a MBA, MBC. So MBA plus MBC equal to 0. See, all of you open your screenshot. What is the equation of MBA? All of you open your screenshot and observe what is the MBA equation. Same equation I am writing here. Just observe. That is 4000 theta B plus 99.17. So this is MBA equation. Next, what is MBC equation? Once again, open your screenshot and observe what is the MBC equation. That is 4000 theta B plus 2000 theta C minus 25. This is our MBC equation, and here we have a 4000 theta B, and here it is 4000 theta B. Then it is 4000 plus 4000, 8000 theta B, and here we have a single theta C, that is plus 2000 theta C, and plus 99.17 minus 25, that is plus 74.17 equal to 0, equal to 0. Equation number 5. But in the equation number 5, we have two unknowns. We have two unknowns. Next, if there is a two unknowns, what can we do here? That is, take other joint. Take other joint which is suitable for our given diagram. See, before that, once I'll show you problem number 2. In the problem number 2, equation number 5. In the equation number 5, we got only single unknown term. We got only single unknown term, that is EI theta B. But in this problem, we got equation number 5, two unknowns, theta B, theta C. Okay. Now, I will show you the first diagram, first problem. In the problem number 1, after completion of 4 equations, here first is joint B, MBA plus MBC completed. So in that we got equation number 5. So in the equation number 5, we have a two unknowns, theta B, theta C. Okay, two unknowns. So based on that, here we have considered other joint. We have considered other joint, that is joint C. That is joint C, because joint C having one member, that is CB member. In the CB member, we have two unknowns, EI theta B, EI theta C. Same way, same concept here also. Here also, take other joint. Take other joint. Once I'll open the third problem. See here, in this third problem, A also joint, C also joint. But which is suitable? Which is suitable? Suppose if I consider A, suppose example, if I consider A as a joint, if I consider A as a joint here, see, from A to B, one member is acting. A to B. A to B, one member is acting. And that is acting right side. If you take a left side, is there any member acting in the left side? No. See, A is our joint. Right side is one member is acting, A to B. But we don't have any member in the left side. Okay. But A is joint only. A is joint only. Only one member is acting. Next. If I consider C as a joint, if I consider C as a joint, okay, how many members are acting in this joint C? That is C to B, C to B. one member is acting, but we don't have any member in the right side. Okay, see, this is your joint. C is your joint. In the C left side, it means C to B, one member is acting. So C as a joint, but we don't have any member in the right side. We don't have any member in the right side. We have only CB. But which joint is suitable for our problem? Is joint A is suitable or else joint C is suitable? Which one is suitable? AB or else CB? So before that you need to check the equation number 5. So in the equation number 5 we have a two unknowns, theta B as well as theta C. So in the same way you need to check AB member, CB member. So in the slope deflection equation, in the AB member we have 2000 theta B minus 114.17. It means here we have only single unknown. In the MAB we have single unknown. Now what is other member? MCB. MCB. So this is our MCB. In the MCB we have 2000 theta B plus 4000 theta C plus 55. It means we have two terms, theta B term as well as theta C term. But in the MAB equation, we have only theta B. So MAB is not suitable. MAB is not suitable. Why? Because in the MAB we have only single unknown. So solving is somewhat difficult. But if you take MCB, here we have a two unknowns, theta B as well as theta C. So solving equation is very easy. Now I will be considering C as a joint, and that is joint C. In the joint C I have a CB member. Now I can write it as MCB is equal to 0. Now what is the MCB equation? 2000 theta B plus 4000 theta C plus 55 is equal to 0. Just to give an equation. Now here solving equation 5 and 6 is very easy, because in the equation 5 we have a theta B, theta C, as well as in the equation number 6 also we have theta B and theta C. So now the solving is very easy. Write down solving equations 5 and 6. Then you will get theta B as well as theta C. What is equation number 5? 8000 theta B plus 2000 theta C plus 74.17 equal to 0. What is the sixth equation? 2000 theta B plus 4000 theta C plus 55 equal to 0. Now solving equation is very easy now. Very easy. Solving, already you know that how to solve the equation. One should be cancelled. Okay. So here I'll cancel theta C values, but here I have a 2000 theta C and below that 4000 theta C. So it's very simple. I'll multiply the first equation with 2. With 2. Now it is 1. Okay. Now 2 into 8,000, 16,000 theta b plus 2 into 2,000, 4,000 theta c plus 2 into 74.17, that is 148.34 equal to 0. Now this is common because all values should be multiplied with 1, so values are same. 2000 theta b plus 4000 theta c plus 55 equal to 0. Now this equation I can give, I'll multiply with minus. So it is minus. Now 4000 theta c minus 4000 theta c cancel. Okay. Remaining is 16,000 theta b minus 2000 theta b. Then it is 14,000 theta b. Next. Plus 148.34 minus 55. Then it is 93.34 equal to 0. Now from this one calculate theta b value, that is 14,000 theta b is equal to minus 93.34. Okay. Now what is the value of theta b? Theta b equal to minus 93.34 by 14,000 minus 93.34 by 14,000. What is the value? Theta b is equal to minus 0.0067. This is our theta b value, but we have a other unknown term, that is theta c. That is theta c. Very simple. Whatever the value we got for theta b, you can substitute either equation number 5 or equation number 6. Then you will get theta c value. Now here I will be applying theta b value in the equation number 6. Write down clearly. Theta b substitute in equation number 6. Then you will get theta c value. So first of all, let me write equation number 6. What is the equation number 6? 2000 theta b plus 4000 theta c plus 55. This is your equation number 6. So in this equation number 6, already we got theta b value, just substitute here. That's it. It means 2000 into theta b minus 0.0067 plus 4000 theta c plus 55 equal to 0. All of you open your calculators, enter these values, then you will get theta c value. What is the value of theta c? What is the value of theta c? That is minus 0.0104. Okay. So this is our apply joint equilibrium equation. By using of joint equilibrium equation, we can find the whatever the unknown terms we have here, whether it may be a slope value, whether it may be a delta value, nothing to worry. So whatever the unknowns we can calculate by using of joint equilibrium equation. Here we have a two unknown terms, that is theta b, theta c. So just now we calculated theta b value and theta c value. Now after completion of joint equilibrium equation, what is the next step? That is final moments. Next step is final moments. Very simple. Whatever the values we got here, that is theta b, theta c. See, I'll write clearly. Just listen carefully. I'll write clearly here. Substitute theta b and theta c values in equations 1, 2, 3, 4. Very simple, very easy. Substitute theta b value and theta c values in equations 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you will get final moments. Final moments. That is, what is equation number 1? MAB is equal to once I'll see the equation number 1 here. Yes, this is our equation number 1. 2000 theta b minus 114.17. Minus 114.17. Okay. Now 2000. What is the value of theta b? Theta b is minus 0.0067. Minus 114.17. So from this one, I'll get my MAB value. So here MAB is, after entering these values in your calculators, then the value of MAB is 127.57 kilonewton meter. Okay, this is MAB. Now, what is the second equation? MBA is equal to second equation is 4000 theta b plus 99.17. Write down clearly. 4000 theta b plus 99.17. So equal to 4000. What is the theta b value? Minus 0.0067 plus 99.17. Now what is the final moment for MBA? That is 72.6 kilonewton meter. So final moment MAB, MBA completed. Next is MBC. MBC. What is the MBC equation? 4000 theta b plus 2000 theta c minus 25 equal to 0. Minus 25. Okay. So MBC is equal to 4000 theta B plus 2000 theta C minus 25. Okay. Now 4000 theta B is minus 0.0067 plus 2000 into theta C. Theta C is minus 0.0104 minus 25. Now, what is the value of MBC? Once you calculate this value, next, what is the final equation? That is fourth equation, MCB. That is 2000 theta B plus 4000 theta C plus 55. Write down clearly. 2000 theta B plus 4000 theta C plus 55. This is our equation. 2000 theta B is minus 0.0067 plus 4000 theta C is minus 0.0104 plus 55. Now what is the value of MCB? Anyone have done the calculation part? MBC, MCB? So here,
0.
okay, MCB is 0, MBC is plus or minus this one, 72.6.
Minus.
Minus, okay. So these are the final moments. These are the final moments. See, final moment, finding of final moment is very easy. Once you know the theta B value, once you know the theta C value, just you can substitute theta B, theta C values in the first four equations. Then you will get your final moments. Very simple. Very simple. All of you take the screenshot up to here. All of you take the screenshot up to here. And we have a final step. And we have a final step here. $156 Meghana. $156 Meghana. 65 Vamshi.
Sir.
Vamshi, have you taken screenshot?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 104 Sujit.
Yes, sir.
Have you taken screenshot?
Yes, sir. Taken.
Okay. So these are our final moments. And what is the final step? Before going to check the final step, you need to read problem once again. See here, he is asking only draw bending moment diagram. Okay, only bending moment diagram. It means here support reactions are not required because he did not ask shear force diagram. So support reactions are not required here. He is asking only bending moment diagram. Now, draw bending moment diagram here. Draw bending moment diagram. So here we have a two types of bending moment diagram. One is maximum bending moment diagram for AB span. Okay. Next, maximum bending moment diagram for BC span. BC span. Once check the problem here. Span AB is uniformly distributed load. Uniformly distributed load. So, what is the formula for maximum bending moment here? That is WL square by 8. WL square by 8. Here the W is 20 kilonewton. L is 8 square by 8. What is the value? Calculate. Next. Maximum bending moment for span BC. BC is carrying central point load. BC is carrying central point load and the load is 80 kilonewton, span is 4 meter. But what is the maximum bending moment formula here? That is WL by 4. Here W is 80, L is 4 by 4. 4 cancel, then it is 80 kilonewton meter. Now what is the value of AB? 160 kilonewton meter. 160 kilonewton meter. This is our maximum bending moment, and see, A to B is carrying UDL. So, what is the shape of maximum bending moment? What is the shape? Anyone? Once unmute anyone. What is the shape of bending moment? One not six Anil. One not six Anil. 18 Ritika. 18 Ritika. 36 Vinita. 36 Vinita. 40 Shravani.
Sir, Anil sir.
Anil, what is the shape of bending moment diagram for UDL? What is the shape? (36) Vinita. 40 Shravani.
Parabola.
Okay. So the shape of maximum bending moment for AB, it is parabolic. Why? Because it is a UDL. Next. 128 Ganesh. 128 Ganesh. Ganesh, once see the span BC, it is a central point load. What is the maximum bending moment diagram shape? Ganesh, what is the shape of maximum bending moment for central point load?
Sir, triangle.
Yes, triangle. So one is parabolic shape, other one is triangle shape. Next, after completion of the maximum bending moment diagram, next is to draw the net bending moment diagram. Next is to draw the net bending moment diagram. How to draw the net bending moment diagram? Based on final moment values. Based on final moment values. Okay. See, first of all, draw the given diagram. A, B, C. It is UDL 20 kilonewton per meter. It is central point load 80 kilonewton. Eight meter, 4 meter, 2 meters, 2 meter. Okay. A, B, C. Okay. See, first one is A to B. Just now your friend said the shape is parabolic shape. Value is 160. So first of all, draw the maximum bending moment diagram for AB span as well as BC span. Here the 160 kilonewton meter is parabolic shape. Exactly at center of the span it is 160. Okay. Now span BC maximum bending moment is 80 kilonewton meter, but it is triangle. Exactly you will get where the load is acting. At that point only you will get your maximum bending. So here in this point the load is acting 80 kilonewton. Now the value is 80. So in this point only, somewhere here, it is 80. Okay. So just now your friend said it is triangle shape. So triangle up to here, clear? Next is to draw the net bending moment diagram. So how to draw the net bending moment diagram? Based on final moment values. MAB, MBA, MBC, MCB. Anyway, MCB is 0. MAB is minus 127.57. MBA is 72.6. MBC is minus 72.6. These are our final moment values. Then what is the sign convention here in the slope deflection method? So this is your beam. This is your beam. Left, right. Suppose in the left side, if you get a positive value, then the bending moment diagram is below the beam. Suppose if you get a negative value in the left side, then you will get bending moment diagram is above the beam. Suppose if you come to the right side, if there is a positive value, then the bending moment diagram is above the beam. If it is negative value, below the beam. Okay, here first is starting from A and B. First to take one span AB. So in the AB we have M A to B. The first term is A, so A to B. Here right side is starting B, so M B to A. Now check MAB value and MBA value. Here MAB we got minus 127 minus. See, MAB is left side, value is minus, so it is above the beam. The bending moment diagram is above the beam. So somewhere here it is 160. So below the 160 it is 127.57. Okay. Now MAB completed. Now MBA. It means right to left. MBA value is 72.6. Here we got positive bending moment diagram. 72.6 means it's a positive bending moment diagram. So check the right side, MBA. So if the value is positive, then it is above the beam. So somewhere here it is 72.6. Now forget about AB span. Now coming to the BC span. See, same concept, minus plus minus. It means here we have a MBC value and here we have a MCB value. First you need to check MBC value. Here MBC we got minus 72.6. Value is minus. So in the BC span we got minus value. So minus means above the beam. Value is 72.6. So same value mark here. Now MCB is 0. It is 0. Now mark this point. Okay. This is your final bending moment diagram. This is your final bending moment diagram. See, in this problem, delta value given, but maximum in your external point of view, this type of problem only they'll give. This type of problems only they will give in your external exam point of view. Or else we have a problem in the frames. Frame also very easy. Same concept, same steps. So the frame concept we will see in tomorrow class. Frame concept we will see in tomorrow class. Okay. And see, wait, I'll share this PDF.